In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in HubSpot. We'll walk through a quick, reliable way to add files to your HubSpot account so you can use them across emails, landing pages, blogs, and more. I'll keep it simple and clear, and I'll point out a few tips along the way to help you avoid common hiccups. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type HubSpot. This is the easiest path if you don't have the site bookmarked. In the results, click the official HubSpot website. If you're ever unsure, look for the verified HubSpot domain to make sure you're in the right place. Once you're on the HubSpot site, log into your account. Enter your credentials and complete any required verification, like single sign-on or two-factor authentication, if your organization uses it. After logging in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard. If you have access to more than one workspace, make sure you're in the correct one before you proceed, so your file ends up in the right library. Next, move your mouse to the main left sidebar and look for the Content section. Depending on your view, the sidebar may be collapsed. If you only see icons, hover to reveal labels, or expand it so you can clearly see the menu. Within Content, you'll find the Files option. Go ahead and click Files. This opens HubSpot's File Manager, the central place where your images, documents, videos, and other assets are stored and organized. In the top right corner of the File Manager, click Upload Files. This button is easy to spot near the search and filter options. If you don't see it, confirm you're in the Files area and that you have permission to upload assets in your account. A standard file picker window will open from your computer. Browse to the folder where your file is saved, select the specific file you want to upload, and then click Open. That action begins the upload immediately. Keep an eye on the progress indicator. Larger files may take a bit longer depending on your connection. It's a good practice to choose files with clear, descriptive names and to check that the format is supported by HubSpot, like common image and document types. When the upload finishes, you'll see the file appear in your list. From here, you're ready to use it across your HubSpot tools whenever you need it. And that's all there is to it. Simple, fast, and organized. Thanks for watching, and great job getting your files into HubSpot.